In the heart of Heredia, Costa Rica, stands an architectural treasure, the Immaculate Conception of Mary Parish, a UNESCO Blue Shield church and national monument since 1963. This remarkable church isn't just a place of worship, it's a symbol of Heredia's rich cultural and religious heritage. Built over centuries, it represents the devotion and pride of the people of Heredia. The story of this church begins in 1714, when Heredia's first temple was constructed using simple straw. It was soon replaced by a sturdier adobe structure, signaling a growing commitment to faith and community. By 1734, the church was officially declared a parish with a permanent priest. But the structure we know today began to take shape in 1797, with its grand construction continuing until around 1806 or 1807, after devastating earthquakes in 1822 and 1851. The church was reinforced with 8 massive lateral buttresses, while the towers were strengthened to ensure the church's survival for future generations. A major interior remodel in 1879 brought neoclassical and basilical elements, transforming the church into a masterpiece of elegance and style, still admired today. The Immaculate Conception of Mary Parish was not only a religious monument, but a statement of Heredia's rising aristocracy. Surrounded by elegant mansions and civic buildings, it remains a symbol of urban pride. This church stands as a living testament to the people of Heredia and their legacy. Come visit and experience the beauty and history of Costa Rica's most iconic church. Take a ride with us.